In this problem, it gives us that Meili is thinking of 3 consecutive integers, where the sum of 5 times the smallest and twice the largest is 18. So we want the middle of those 3 integers. So let's say the smallest is x. If the smallest is x, then the next one is going to be x plus 1. So for any integer, they just move up by 1. So the next integer is x plus 2. Now it tells us the sum of 5 times the smallest. So if this is the smallest, we take 5 times the smallest and twice the largest. So we're going to multiply this by 2 and add it. So 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 18. So we multiply in the 2. So 5x plus 2x plus 4 equals 18. So I'll move the 4 over. So that means we get 14. And then over here we have 5x and 2x, so that combines to 7x. So when we divide both sides by 7, we get x equal to 2. However, that's not our answer, because it says determine the middle of the 3 integers. The middle integer is not x, the middle integer is x plus 1. So that means if x is 2, then x plus 1, the middle integer is 3. There's our answer, and we're done.